welcome back to my channel. My name is Rukhsana and again I am here with another video. So this is the second part of daily uses sentences series and I have already uploaded the first one. If you haven't watched it, so please go and watch. You will get the link of that video on the left corner of this video. Simply you have to click on the I button and then you will be able to watch that video. Or I will share the link in the description so that you can watch from there also. So now it's time to move into the whole video. So again there are 15 daily use sentences which you have to use in your daily conversation. So let's get started. First, what does this mean? Example, what does this mean of this message? Second, what do you mean? Example, what do you mean by that? Third, oh, I'm sorry. Example, oh, I'm sorry, I scolded you. Fourth, hey, my name is this, and you? Example, hey, my name is Rukhsana, and you? Or simply you can say, hey, my name is Rukhsana, what about you? Fifth, as you wish. We use this sentence when we don't want to give approval on something, and we simply say, as you wish. Like if someone says, I don't want to go there. So you will say, as you wish. Sixth, let me check. Example, let me check. Where did I write this sentence? Seventh, that would be great. We use this sentence when we want something might happen in our past, but it might not. Example, that would be great if I had learned English. Eighth, it will be great. We use this sentence when something is going to happen in future. Example, it will be great if I learn English with my graduation. Ninth, what are you doing? Example, hey, what are you doing? 10th, I'm not really sure. Example, I'm not really sure for this. You can ask someone else. 11th, so where are you from? Example, I am from Delhi. And where are you from? 12. I have no idea. Sorry to say, but I have no idea for this. 13. I am exhausted. Example, I am exhausted. I can't walk more. 14. I am starving. We use this sentence when we start getting feeling that we will die if we will not get food. Example, please prepare food for me. I am starving. 15. It's all yours. Don't hesitate. It's all yours. So that's all enough for today. And we will continue it in our next videos. I hope you are liking my videos and you are learning something from it. If yes, so please share your feedback in the comment section. And tell me that what can I do more better to help you. And share your problem also, that where you are facing difficulties to learn English, so that we can discuss on that and find a better solution to learn English. In the end, I just want to thank you to all of you to watch my videos. And please hit the like button if you really like. And share with your friends or with your family member so that they can also learn with us. And please subscribe my channel to be a part of this journey. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because it will give you the notification whenever I will upload the new video. So, bye guys, I will meet you soon in my next videos. Till then, take care and keep learning.